Okay, tell me seriously, why is your school bag always heavy but you can never find anything inside it? Like it's always full but never useful when you actually need something. You'll find random junk, old pens, receipts, everything except what you're searching for. So maybe it's not about cleaning your bag, maybe it's about what you're even putting inside it. So today we're fixing that. I'll show you what actually belongs in your school bag. Nothing extra, nothing complicated. Just real stuff that makes your school life easier. Before we move on, let me know what grade are you in right now? So, let's transform your school bag. Okay, now, let's start with the bag itself. Before we even talk about what goes inside, your bag choice actually matters more than people think. First thing, please don't go for those Pinterest aesthetic tote bags. Yes, they look cute, I know, but they're not practical for school. They get heavy really fast, and honestly, they end up hurting your shoulder more than helping you. You'll regret it after carrying books for just a few days. Just go for a proper school backpack instead. Next thing is color. Go for neutral or dark colors like black, navy, brown, or any deep shade. Light colors look really pretty at first, but they get dirty so quickly. Like within a week, they stop looking new, so it's just better to choose something that stays clean and easy to maintain. Then comes size. Make sure your bag is medium size. Not too big, because then you'll start overpacking random unnecessary things. And not too small either, because then nothing fits properly, and it becomes stressful every morning. And one thing that actually makes a big difference is compartments. Get a bag that has separate sections inside. It makes organizing so much easier. You're not digging through your whole bag just to find one pen or your ID card. Everything has its place, and it just saves so much time and frustration. And lastly, even though we're keeping it practical, you can still make it look pretty. Add charms, keychains, or badges to give it that aesthetic touch. Your bag deserves to look nice too. Now the bag is sorted, let's see what we have to put inside it. In the main pocket of your bag, keep only your notebooks and textbooks. Don't just put them randomly, but always check your actual schedule for that day and only pack what you need. Otherwise, you'll just end up carrying extra weight for no reason, and it'll hurt your shoulders. Now, coming to your pencil case, here are the only, and I mean only, things you need to keep inside it instead of taking a whole stationery art museum that you're never going to use anyway. Keep 2 to 3 blue or black pens, 1 highlighter, maybe 2 if you're an aesthetic note taker, and the basics like pencil, sharpener, eraser, and ruler. And that's it. In your main pocket, you can also keep your calculator, geometry box, and some colored pencils, if you actually use them. That's it, seriously. This is all you need in your school bag. Now coming to essentials, these are the must-have things that you'll actually use regularly in your school bag. Your school ID card should always be in the front pocket so you're not digging around when you need it most. Then your wallet with some cash and cards, because honestly, it's always better to have a little cash with you. Keep your water bottle in the side pocket because hydration is a must, and don't forget a power bank or charger if it's allowed, because your phone dying in school is just stressful. An umbrella is also important to keep in your main or side pocket because we really can't trust the weather and it's better to have your own than borrow one. Now for small personal essentials, you can keep them in your front pocket of the bag for quick access. Keep a lip balm for quick touch-ups so your lips don't get dry, and a mini perfume or body mist for feeling fresh during the day. Gum or mints are also a must to avoid bad breath. For hair stuff, keep a claw clip or scrunchies and some bobby pins or hair ties. And if you wear hijab, then hijab magnets or pins if needed. And then there's the emergency pouch, which you should always keep in your bag, just in case. These are things you might not use every single day, but they're still really important to have with you. Keep tissues in there, because you'll always end up needing them at some point. Hand sanitizer is a must too because schools are honestly full of unseen germs everywhere. Band-aids are also useful for small cuts or situations you don't expect. Pads are important to keep just in case, because you never really know when you might need them. And lastly, keep your house keys as a backup so you're never stuck in a situation where you can't get inside your home. And that's everything you actually need in your school bag. Nothing extra, nothing overwhelming, just simple things that make your school life easier, honestly. Your bag doesn't need to be full, it just needs to be smart. And yeah, see you in the next one.